All right, all right, all right. So yesterday we had kind of a pause, and we made that doji right here, which is okay. We've been running up since October 14th, and we're making this major move. So we'll either go into consolidation or maybe a pullback, and a 1 or 2 day pullback is really nothing to worry about. And I figure it's going to move back down to about 46, 48, 46, 50, somewhere around there. So we'll keep our eye out for that, and that's okay. Hopefully, we get that today. I could use a little bit of a pullback, get those options premiums juicing up, and this is all very self-centered for me. So anyway, keep an eye open for that. Market's strong, market's bullish, and I'm going to remain bullish on it. I'm not really worried about a major sell-off. They're talking a little bit about China and the spillover and things of that nature. The Fed had mentioned it, but they're not economists. Well, I guess they are economists, but I'm more prone to look at the primary economists who feel that this might cause a little deflation. And what are we worried about right now? We're worried about deflation. So inflation. So obviously the best resolution to inflation is a little bit of deflation. So I like that news out of China. Anyway, based on the market, we may get that pullback today or tomorrow. But again, 1 or 2 day pullback is pretty good. I think we're looking at the 46.50 area for the pullback. So I'm going to let that happen and then start all my long positions again for the S&P. And as we talked about, we want to watch the the 10-year, and the 10-year had an inside day. Oh, you know what? Something else I wanted you to keep your eyes on. This could just become a bull flag and break out right away. I mean, I would like to see the retrace, but it could be a setup for a bull flag. We have momentum. So just keep an eye on it. You could take that breakout if you're trading S&P options. I would take that breakout, but I am hoping for that pullback. So anyway, we go back to the 10-year, and we're looking at the 10-year, and this is an inside bar, and that's all cool. The market opens at 8 o'clock. We want to see this baby moving up. We want to see the 10-year moving up to support the stock market. That's money coming out of bonds, going into the market, showing that there's no fear in this move up. And we take a quick peek at the VIX, and we don't really want to see the VIX heating up too much, which it's in a nice consolidation pattern. That's fine. There is upward momentum. We'll keep an eye on that. Might give us an indication that people are not comfortable in this move up. But this could also indicate that we're getting that little 1 or 2 day pullback that we're looking for. So the Keltner channels are narrowing. Volatility is coming out of it. I'm liking it. And just to take a look at some of the big boys, take a look at Apple. Apple's in a little bit of a consolidation right now. I'd like to see an update or give me one red finger, and that'll show a good breakout. But just let Apple continue to consolidate. Amazon looks like it's putting in a double top, and I wouldn't be surprised if we get a little pullback on Amazon, consistent with the market. A couple of day retrace wouldn't be too terrible with Amazon. And we'll take a quick look at Facebook. These are some of the big boys moving the market. Again, we're looking at we might be getting ready for a retrace on that. That was a pretty big engulfing bar for the day. So don't be surprised if we get a little retrace over the next 2 days on Facebook. And the Googs, what is it, Alphabet they call it? You could argue maybe a double top right there. Not really seeing much of a divergence. Has good momentum, but it looks like it's entering into consolidation. Nothing really giving me any cause for pause. Again, another consolidation. These guys are going to trade with the market. That was Microsoft, by the way. Here's Netflix. Netflix traded off a little bit. Looks like it's setting up a bear flag. You could be looking at a little more downward move, which is quite all right. We've all had a big run. Trying to find the target. Probably 623 might be my target on Facebook. NVIDIA. Don't really track this one much, so I'm not familiar with the characteristics. Looks like it's setting up a bull flag. Just keep an eye on it. Again, it's going to be affected by the movement of the NASDAQ, and it may just enter into consolidation right there. And Tesla, the last of the big boys. So, Tesla had its sell off probably because Elon was liquidating and everybody just had that knee jerk reaction. But it kind of fell back, closed higher than it opened. It was down for the day, but closed higher than it opened. And it looks like it's popping up a little bit today. So, trying to get an ask on that. Yeah, it's up 16. So, get, a little knee jerk reaction to him selling. He's got to sell. I mean, I'm sure it doesn't have 15 billion laying around to cover those taxes. So anyway, that's my morning meeting, and that's what to look for. Let's see if we get that pullback for 1 to 2 days, get us some buying opportunities. So remember, everybody stay calm and cool when you're trading. Get in a little meditation before the market opens. Be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.